do this. I love this so fucking much. Can you please just stay? Thank you. Okay. No, I don't like this here. Fuck me. Logistics 101. Alright. Okay, this doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm just gonna code until people come. Hey there, Sam! Welcome! Welcome to the stream. I'm gonna wait a bit to see if more people come. I think I'm gonna re-upload the stream on YouTube though, so... yeah. Because I need to do this. So... I may as well just upload it to YouTube as well. Don't know if many people are gonna watch it, but... yeah. Okay, what did I want to do? I wanted to send an email, or at least just verify, at least for now. So I'm gonna do a route to auth. So I'm gonna actually get rid of pretty much everything here. Can just change some logic though. So I received the email from the body. I check if the email is available. There's a module for this. This is a language called Elixir, by the way. Pretty new, it's like 5 years old. But wait, no, I don't know. I actually don't know how old it is. Don't want to risk it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to call a function here that is going to check whether the email is in the database. So if there's anyone else with an email like this, changes, holy shit, yeah, from 2012, right? Yeah, 2012. Nice. Rust is younger, I think. Yeah, I think I may have been thinking of Rust then, but okay. Email file zone. So I'm going to get an email and I'm going to check whether it is in the database. What the fuck? Which language is from 2015, 2016? There's a language from like, what the fuck? How old is Next.js? No. 2016, okay, maybe I was thinking. I have no fucking idea anymore. Oh my god. I swear to god, there was a language that came out relatively soon. I'm not even gonna bother anymore. Whatever, man. Soon. Yeah, I mean, that is true, MC. That is really true. So welcome to the stream, Hensi. Welcome, Fosta. Don't worry, you're not late. You're not quite late. I haven't started yet. I will start right after I check this. Because I need to do all user from you in user. I'll alias that in a moment. Okay, I need to alias it now. Can you please? No, it doesn't. Oh my god, what is this? I'm decent. Not the best, not the worst, I guess. Oh yeah, import. I always forget. I started learning this language like what? Does this know? Why doesn't this work? Structures. User email. Oh, I don't need to pin it. Wait, what? I'm confusion. Boundary, yeah. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh, okay, you're just expecting something. So I wanna, I'm gonna return that. Yo, welcome. I'm coding, I'm gonna get into that in a moment. In fact, I'm gonna get into that now because there's already quite enough people. Have my Twitch points here. So, first one is about who redeemed. Wait, what? Someone redeemed the 42k? What? When? Yo, you subbed. What the fuck? Thank you. Where's that? The alert hasn't come out, but I see the old logo that I should change. That's one of the things. Oh, there you go. Thank you for the sub, man. Thank you. This is a coding stream.
Thanks for the sub. Yee.
Yee. How come? Yeah, I need to talk. I wanted to do something more chill to talk about this. Although I'm really bad at multitasking, so I may just stare at this screen while I'm talking. So, okay, the first point. Hawkyre rebranding. What does this mean? As you may know, I have a new logo, which doesn't show in the Twitch badges for some reason. Totally not because I am a dumbass. Okay. And that's not really the only rebranding that I'm going to do. In Twitter, I've actually tried to post more things. Starting to drift away from Geometry Dash content in Twitter, because I'm going to dedicate my Twitter to something a bit different, which is going to come into play when I talk about hawkyre, so I'll explain it later. But basically, I'm not going to quit Geometry Dash. I want to make that clear for now. I'm not quitting Geometry Dash, but I'm going to be a bit less active in the game. This is like an investor conference. Lol. But I have Reddit. Why is it so weird? You don't want to know. I don't even know what is in the Reddit. I just upload stuff. Almost impossible to read. Yeah, true, but it's not really because of that. It's because I still want to keep. It's also going to come up when I talk about hawkyre. Hot hydration, let's go. Yo, Pila, welcome. So yeah, that's pretty much about the rebranding. I'm just going to drift away a bit from Geometry Dash, at least on Twitter. I've also been uploading lives on YouTube, so what the fuck? Thank you.
_GT. Thanks for the sub.
Danke für das Geschenkabo. Dankeschön. Dankeschön, Boista. Dankeschön. So yeah, going to not do as much Geometry Dash as I have. I'm going to move more into, I don't want to say motivational stuff, but I want, in a way, to inspire people. Because one of the things that I wanted to do for a long time is to actually inspire people to do their own shit. That's one of the reasons why I took Serial public. The other one being it would be easier, but also the ability to give feedback and to be able to help other creators to get started in creating kind of fits with what I want to do. Just help others create and build their own shit, basically. That's great. That's great, Vaishta. Thank you. That means a lot. Yeah, shut up. I'm a busy man. I try my best. I try my best, okay? It's fucking hard. It's also hard. It's not an excuse. Definitely not an excuse, but it does come into play about the second point. Language leak. Some of you already know it. Like Dark. I don't know. I'm sorry about this. No, you weren't. Yeah, you were not already. But Vino and another person were in a server in which I shared some Japanese curriculum that I'm working on. I'm not a Japanese proficient person. I know a bit of Japanese. And I'm great at researching stuff. Not the best curriculum to have, but it's something. But basically, language leak is the name kind of implies, in a way. It's gonna be a language learning game, not application. Well, it's gonna be an application as well, but it's mostly going to try to be a game. So it's gonna have so it has 3 pillars. First one's gonna be just theory content that you're gonna be able to learn from with exercises in the form of games, as interactive as and easy and enjoyable as possible. League of language. Shut up. Shut up. I'm gonna get fucking sued by Riot Games. I swear to God. I'm gonna get fucking sued. So yeah, the first pillar is just about learning the language with grammar, vocabulary, culture, as much interesting stuff as I can put in there, I will. Second pillar is going to be about meeting other people. It's going to be the community pillar. It's going to be basically about meeting other people with the same interests as you have. So basically, let's say you like video games. I'll try to get you in a group with other people who want to learn. Shut up. No, we're not public yet. If I ever go public, I'll give 1 share to every one of my Discord members. Deal. That would be funny, not gonna lie. But yeah, I'll be a private investor. I actually have a private investor already. It's interesting. I'll actually tell that story in a blog post from Language League. I'll talk about that in a moment. So yeah, the community pillar, you're gonna get paired with people from all around the world who have the same interests as you and want to learn the same language as you. So you can pretty much practice with them, and that's great. I'll also try to get some experts to help out. That's a whole another story. Kind of more complex than that, but I hope it works. And the third pillar is going to be an actual competitive game. Like for now, it's going to be 1 versus 1, but I want to make it expand. It's going to be not the most awesome game. It's not going to be a fucking League of Legends, of course. I'm a single person and I can't even do a fucking Minesweeper with good graphics. So what I'm going to do is more or less like UI based games, like not I don't want to say similar to Duolingo because I have way better ideas, or at least I think so. I better do, I hope, because otherwise I have nothing. But yeah, I've been thinking about games to play against other people. There's also gonna be like collaborative games where both of the people actually get points, because also you're trying to learn a language. You're not trying to beat the other person to death. So, yes. And then another... Fuck. Let's just stop doing that. Okay, perfect. That is pretty much language leak. Oh yeah, about this. I'm also going to be posting blog posts talking about pretty much what's been going on, how I've reached this point, pretty much. Because trust me, it's not been easy, or it's not trivial. Definitely not trivial. There's been a lot of things that have had to go right. Got a few decisions that I've had to make that actually led me to this point. So I'll be talking about that, and in the hopes of inspiring some of you to actually build your own shit as well. Yo, Supernovi, welcome. It's been years. It's true. It's been a while since I've seen you. Welcome to the stream, man. So yeah, that's pretty much about language leak. Interesting. The landing page should actually, and the blogs, of course, landing page and blogs should be coming out really soon. Like, I bought some images for the website. They should be done this week. And if everything goes right, I may release it this week, which is incredibly exciting. Because I've been waiting for like fucking what? 4 or 5 months. Oh yeah, stream schedule. I'll get into that in a second. It's gonna be interesting. Third one is hawkyre. I think I've talked about enough about language leak. You'll know more about it when I release a landing page. You'll be able to read about each of the pillars and how it's gonna work out, and also I don't want to hear that song. And also how it's gonna work out. I'll probably do some frequently asked questions on stream, and well, we'll get into that. So next one, you got long COVID. Okay, that's actually trash. It's actually trash, man. Hope you get better. I really hope you get better. I've been sick for like almost a week. I'm quite better now. And it was absolute hell. Like, I felt like trash, and I cannot imagine how badly you have felt. I hope you get better, man. Fucking sucks to be sick. For real. Just trash, dude. So yeah, it's especially COVID because now it's like the thing, right? But yeah, any kind of sickness just drives you nuts. It sucks. 3 times! Oh my god, you're insane. You're fucking insane. And you twice as well. Holy shit. I haven't got it. I haven't got COVID actually. Yet. I don't wanna pronounce victory, but not yet. Okay, so about hawkyre. You probably know hawkyre if you've seen the second serial preview where I said I'm going to post development videos on another channel, and I never did. I just published one because I was planning on doing game development, but then that didn't work out because I got bored and I couldn't do fucking graphics, and I couldn't find anyone to help me with that, so I just stopped doing game development in Unity and went into website development, and now we're here. So guess that's good in a way. But it's coming back. It's actually coming back with a project. I'm going to be doing a project from absolute fucking zero. So from the idea, I just have the idea. I'll tell you in a moment what is the idea. But basically, I'm going to create something from absolute zero. I just have the idea to the actual final product released, and even try to market it to the public. Quick to this, huh? Bro, fuck off. Oh my god. Yeah, no images for now. No images for now, no. Good luck finding my LinkedIn. I have one there. I think it's the same one actually. So yeah. hawkyre is coming back with that. The idea The idea is we're going to be building something that I've wanted for a long ass time, and even more with Serial. It's gonna be a collab hosting tool, a collab hosting website, where you're gonna be able to create an account, look for collabs that are looking for members, host your own collabs, and probably more things. I have no idea. As I said, I just have the idea. I literally just have the idea. I want to do something to host collabs easier, because I'm sick of doing spreadsheets. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go through absolutely every single step that I would follow, from just the idea. I'm going to I actually have a shitty version of this. So basically, getting started, defining the project. So what I wanted to, I'm gonna launch surveys. So I'm gonna be asking collab hosts and collab members and the people overall, creators mostly, what they would expect from such a tool, and then I will collect the most important requirements. I will refine them, and I will. This is just for like the what tools we're gonna use to build the website. Then just design, brand identity, mockups, data. This is all other stuff. We'll get into that in the future, but that's yeah, we're gonna be building a project from absolute zero, and I hope it's useful for like what font and background is used. Okay, sure. I'll have you. I'll send you the survey as well. I mean, I'm gonna send it in my server, so yeah. I'm gonna design it on stream. That's one of the things. I'm gonna stream the whole process. Like I don't think I'm capable of maintaining a YouTube series. So I think the best is gonna be weekly streams for each of the steps, and I'll be just doing the project live, answering questions, and just working together. And I will do like small summaries maybe on YouTube, something like that. I don't know, I'm not sure. I have to still think about that, because I do want some connection with YouTube. But yeah, hopefully, hopefully. No, I have a stream schedule, as you can see, and the content's also going to change a bit. So if we go back here, I have the strategy, more or less. So the streams are gonna be these times. It's gonna be 5 streams a week. Probably not. I'll probably just remove 1 or 2, it depends. If I remove any, it's gonna be the hawkyre stream, so the geometry dash, because I would like to focus more on the other ones. So these two, the Saturday and the Wednesday ones, are the ones that are more prone to going, if any. But I would like to try streaming 5 times a week. So yeah, Monday is gonna be a hawkyre stream, so geometry dash. Saturday, same thing, geometry dash. Wednesday is gonna be just the coding stream on Language League. Friday is gonna be the hawkyre project, so the geometry dash website. And Sunday from 5 to 8, it's gonna be games with viewers. So hopefully, I try to start all of them at the same time. I may start them all at 5, because I don't think 4 may be a bit too early some days for some of you. So yeah, I think I may start them at 5. I have to think about that. So which would work better for you guys? 4 p.m., 5 p.m. It's a Spanish European time. I don't know. It's like UTC +1, I think. Oh wait, no, I'm UTC +2 right now. Okay, because of the the summer change. In that case, yeah, it will still be that, just UTC +2. I don't know if you guys, I mean, I know Dark is from Germany, so he shouldn't have problems. Arithi shouldn't have problems either. We're actually really fucking close. Do you know that, Arithi? You live in Latvia, I think? Yeah, you live in Latvia. I'm in Stockholm, so we're literally like... I've actually had friends that have been to Latvia on a trip. Legit. From Stockholm. I didn't go because I just didn't even know they were doing the trip, so... Not Latvia? Okay. Yeah, sure, don't worry. It's alright. But yeah. That is the stream schedule and content. And then about Geometry Dash, just a few things. Collabs. I'm probably not gonna host any more collabs on my own. Gonna try to look for co-hosts. Yeah, me too, Arithi. Honestly, we can arrange something because I have a break, so maybe we can arrange something for this Easter. I don't know if you have holidays. We can talk about that later. We don't have to talk about it now. But yeah, collabs. If I do any more collabs, there's gonna be co-hosts involved. I don't want to put more work into me because I have other things that I want to work on. Bidding things, if I bid anything, it's gonna be on the Hawk streams, and it's gonna be 2x probably, because I'm bored of doing anything else. Don't think I'll do a new hardest, at least until if the company goes great as Falk and I start getting like million or something, I can retire. I may just go full-time Geometry Dash streamer or something. That's not gonna happen though, so... yeah, probably won't beat new hardest. Layouts, I'm not sure if I'm going to do many more new layouts. That is a sad one, because I mean, if I find that bidding things like bidding 2 extra stuff becomes a big of a toll because of the, you know, wrist and my head and that, I may just switch to layout building streams. They're not as popular, but I mean, I'm not doing extremely well on Twitch anyway, so who cares? And then YouTube. I'm not sure I'm gonna upload much, because I mean, the last videos that I've uploaded were either, well, not either, they were just effortless, let's put it that way. Pretty much. So it's either gonna be just collab reviews, whatever layouts I finish on stream, me bidding whatever easy demon on 2x, whichever, extreme demon, easy demon, not extreme demon on 2x. Oh, by the way, I almost did the first half of the Demon's part in Digital Descent on 2x. That was funny. I died to the very last click like 4 times. I don't know. But I did it. It proves that it's possible, right? I can actually try it now. Let me try. Why not? Alright. Posta. It is the first half, it didn't have the whole part. You're stuck in an audible ad. Oh, I'm sorry for you. Okay, I may need to close some things, actually. Yeah, I'm going to close this for now. Gonna pause that. Does it work better now? Yeah, definitely much better. Not the best. What is this? This is 1.5. Okay, I'm gonna try to work with this. No joke, this may be possible on 1.5. But maybe not. Today. I'm just gonna fucking milk it. Fuck. Okay, there we go. Final here. Great testable fail. Yeah, I agree. Fuck. Wait. Wait. Dude. Okay, almost. I did it! Fuck. Yeah, I'm bored. And this is why I cannot quit Jump to Dash. Anyway, let's actually just finish up whatever I was talking about. That's pretty much it. I don't think there's probably something else, but I don't know what it is. So if I don't know what it is, I cannot mention it. Yeah. I don't think there's much I can mention if I don't know what else to mention. But yeah, that should be about it. Expect rebrand. Okay. Basically, I'm going to, especially on Twitter, transition from Geometry Dash content into more. I don't like the word, but inspirational content. I want to talk about. Also complement the hawkyre project. So like, I'm going to be helping you build stuff. So I want to talk about how to do that better. In Twitter as well, kind of. So it's gonna be more like your typical entrepreneur meme Twitter account. Well, not meme Twitter account, but actually serious Twitter account. But that's just become a meme. Just telling you, if you want to stop being poor, just buy some money, or whatever shit they're saying. But yeah, really slow index. Yeah. It's not gonna be exactly like that. I want to make it a bit more special, like just, try to make it with my own twist. Also, I also have some threads talking about Geometry Dash that I want to tweet out. Like, they're not written out, they're just the ideas. But yeah, but basically the rebranding is going to be just you woke 3 a.m. tweets, literally. And yeah, the whole idea of the rebranding is just going to be getting a bit more serious with what I do, because I kind of need to if I want to be successful. Is digital design good? I've heard good things about it. I've heard bad things about it. If you like it, go for it. But I don't think I will go for it because Etzer is just horrible for me. I mean, even if I could do Etzer, I don't think I'd go for it anyway. Yeah, let's hope it's good. Let's hope it's good though. If I actually, I mean, the company is already founded. Like, it is actually a legal entity already. So it better fucking be profitable. And I have an investor, as I said. I actually have someone who's going to spend money on the idea, like actual money, not geometry diamonds, no actual money. So it better fucking be something. I'm gonna try my hardest. How much for stock? 2 parts in America collab. 2 parts in cereal. 2,000. You have a stock. Yes, you do. You can cash it out when the company goes public. Ah, my god. Scary is such a fucking meme. Oh my god. I swear. I just hope I do get some, you know, support from the GD community, because I wanna first kind of penetrate. It's not the best word in English, but we use that in Spanish, and I don't know the counterpart in English. I think it's the same actually, just penetrate the market. The Geometry Dash community with the Language League, because that is probably the community that I'm the best known as. So I wanna use that to my advantage, because I have that power. It's not power, it's like luck in a way, although I have been working hard for it for a long time. But yeah, if I do have that ability to impact people inside the Geometry community, why not just use it? Yeah. Makes the most sense. And that's something that I will talk about with hawkyre as well. Just, you're gonna have to look for things that you do well, leverage, exactly. You're gonna have to look for things that you can do well, or alternatively to find a community that you can help. And this is kind of double-edged sword, because when I carried out the surveys, which I think I did post on my server and also in the GDDP server, many people actually said that they wanted to learn languages but just didn't. And that makes me think that there has to be some kind of problem, because I have a feeling that everyone would be about almost 100. I have a feeling that people are interested in learning languages. If they don't, there has to be a reason behind it. Either they're too lazy, let's put it that way. I know, it's quite young, but the GDP has... did you know that... did you actually know that Subfox... How old do you think Subfox is? Really? How old do you think she is? Oh my god, bro. 23. No. He's actually 12. No, I'm just kidding. He's actually 19. He's 19. He just doesn't know English. I mean, he's Spanish as well. He's not in the best position. I've been talking with him. But I mean, everyone has their own shit to deal with. Yeah, I'm fairly sure he does have a job, yes. But yeah, what was I talking about? I forgot before Subfox. Oh yeah, layouts and community. if people want to, I have a feeling. Do you guys want to learn any language? Like, have you been interested by any language? Either for like studying, for like just improving your current knowledge, or just curiosity, whatever. Do you guys have any interests? Yeah, that is the thing. People are lazy. But what if they were able to play a game instead of learning a language? But they still learn the language. Like, that is kind of what my logic was. Like, not the exact logic, it was more like, the gaming community spends so much time in video games as well that one of the questions was actually, you can procrastinate on having fun. Duolingo. You just implied that Duolingo is not fun, and I agree with you, honestly. I tried to learn Dutch on Duolingo. That's the last language I tried to learn. And literally the only reason why I played it was to keep the streak. That was literally the only reason why I kept going into Duolingo. Duolingo's bad. I don't like it. I honestly hate it. I don't think it's a good method for learning languages. It's just a method to entertain you for a bit. And there's an excuse they can put. Oh look, you're also learning languages, which is not true. Because I cannot remember. I remember more from fucking, I don't know, Italian that I read in a YouTube video or whatever than of my month streak in Duolingo about Dutch. Yeah, it literally makes you dumb. I don't want to go that route. With the theory content in my website, which also serves as a way to kind of expose free content for language learning on the internet, because there's really not a single place where you can actually find great content for learning languages. And if there is, it's usually just scattered. It's not well structured. That's something that I hate about the internet. There's so much information. There's more than enough information to learn absolutely anything. But there's not a good structure to that information. Like, you have to work your ass off if you want to actually learn something. Not because there's no information, but because the information is hard to find. And that's a big fucking problem. One of the problems that I want to solve with this as well. And not just this, with other plans that I have for the future as well. But we don't talk about those yet, because I don't even know about them too much anyway, so. Good place for learning languages, YouTube videos about a topic you know a lot. That's interesting. So like, even if you don't know the language, so you pick up words in that language? Is that how you... But you I mean, that's great, but you need to have a knowledge of the language already for that, I'm pretty sure. It's like watching anime and expecting to learn Japanese. It just doesn't work. You need to have a solid foundation. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But yeah, that seems interesting. Once you have like actual good knowledge, I wanna tell a story. It's a short story. It's pretty shitty, but it's a story nevertheless. I'm learning Swedish now, as you probably already know. I'm in Stockholm, in Erasmus, so studying at university here for just half a year, and I'm learning Swedish. However, I think I'm learning way more from just trying to speak with myself. It sounds weird, but just trying to speak with myself and thinking in Swedish and reading out loud. Well, not out loud, like out quietly on the streets, like signs that are in Swedish, things like those. Even watching Swedish YouTube videos, talking with Swedish people on Tinder, not gonna lie, that's one of the things that I've done. It was fun. It was quite fun, not gonna lie. I am fourth year, have 5 years because I'm double degree. So one more year, and I'm not going to be done because I have to write 2 theses. So I probably stay one more year to finish one thesis next year and one the next year. But yeah, there's some things that people don't really do, and that really shows in class because I just try to speak like naturally, and it just words come up that I don't know about. So like, for example, today we're talking about like how can you save money as a student in Stockholm. I was trying to say maybe shop here instead of there, and I didn't know how to say instead of, and if I didn't try to push myself to translate that, right now I wouldn't know how to say instead of, and pretty much nobody in the class I think questioned that what I did. So that's one of the things that I want to implement in the application as well. Just pushing yourself to try to do more than you're requested. Just be actually interested. Like, I'm fairly sure that some people in the course are just there for the credit. I'm not, because it doesn't even count for me. It's just pure interest. Yeah. Such Americans. That is I think one of the best ways to learn a language. Just working your way that in that way, yeah. And I'll definitely do something about that in the website. You're making a language to react to but making like, yeah. That's another whole topic about education and profit that I don't think I'll get into now, but that's an interesting topic. How fucking rotten the whole educational system in the world is, and how it needs to change. But yeah, that's if this one goes well, maybe that'll be the next project that I take up, because I do have ideas for that as well. But yeah, that's not gonna happen tomorrow. So I mean, it's good to have it in the back of my mind, but definitely not something that I'm gonna be worried about. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I haven't coded a fucking single thing today, so that's nice. Well, I do have coded a bit, so I think I may code a bit now, and then go to sleep. I'm not gonna be streaming for much longer anyway. So yeah, thank you for the TED Talk, for listening to the TED Talk, and actually wait a second. If I want this stream to go on YouTube, can I crop it? Shut up, hawkyre. Can I crop it on the website? Because if not, I'm kind of fucked. User player, edit, download. Highlight. Can I do a... no. Can I do a highlight that's more than... no, I can't. I don't think. Oh, can I? I have no idea how to do this. I don't know. I think I may actually just stop the stream now, so I can download it and upload it like this. Code a single glitch pixel. I mean, I can try to do something like that, sure. just for fun. But after that, I'll just stop the stream and I'll put a bit what is this? Oh, I can put an ad. No, thank you. And yeah, I'll upload the stream tomorrow or something because it's gonna take a while to download and to upload. So yeah. Okay, let's do a random pixel. So basically what I'm going to do is square, I'm gonna do oh fuck, I can just do that. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna do a function. That's going to run every, like, I don't know, 10 milliseconds or something like that. And how do I get random int max 16 to string? Can I do 16? Number to hex. JavaScript decimal to hex to string 16. Okay, so I can do, yeah, I can do that, perfect. Green, and this is gonna be the blue. This is a super ugly way to do it, by the way, but I don't care. Okay, and now I'm going to do a use effect which basically runs on mount, or whenever anything here changes and at the start of the application, that would run. So what I'm going to do is, first time the application runs, I'm gonna set this function to run every 10 milliseconds, and this should work. I'm gonna go into sign up, why not? I'll just pop the pixel here. Crypto is not a fucking function. Okay, sure. Why is it not a function? Math.random. Yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna get this. And I'll call this no. No, it doesn't work. Oh, it's here. It is working. Never mind. It is just, for some reason, it's not even showing. Why is it not showing? I said that it has to have certain width and height. I have no idea why the fuck it's not working. It really should. It really should. Oh! This is background color. Not color. There you go. That is their pixel. Are you happy? Main hub. Yes. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll try to upload this tomorrow to YouTube, and yeah, I hope you guys are excited for what's to come, because holy shit, it's gonna be the craziest journey of my life, definitely. Let's see what the fuck happens. So yeah, goodbye.